How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. So if you're watching this on the day of release, make sure you guys go over to Instagram and wish Jason a happy birthday. Today is his birthday on the day that this video goes up. So go over to Instagram at Jason May, send him a message or comment on his most recent post. Wish him a happy birthday because he's been awesome all year with helping me make videos for you guys, and he definitely deserves it. So we're getting back in the garage today. I need to install the side splitters that we painted last night onto the back of the Mustang just to make sure that the rear diffuser is looking pretty good. And then later on tonight, I don't know if it'll be in the video, but Jason and I are actually going to pick up the GT350 bumper, so that'll definitely be in tomorrow's video. I might include some footage at the end of this, but if not, you guys might just have to wait. Slight change of events. I had to touch up the paint on one of the little fins. There was like some inconsistency, so I'm actually just gonna go ahead and put some gas in the Mustang because I'm at like 9 miles to empty, and I do need to drive this car home in a couple days. It is gonna be put back together, I hope, but yeah, I need gas. Okay guys, so it's been a little bit. Haven't updated the vlog in a minute. This thing is dry now, but some situations have arose. So here's the deal. I was talking with the painter guy, and we were originally gonna meet tonight, and Jason was gonna take me up to Vancouver to get all the car parts and bring it back down to Corvallis. The problem is that the painter guy, bless his heart, he said that he's having some family issues. There's a lot of things going on, so he's unable to meet me tonight. So he can meet me tomorrow morning. The problem was that it kind of messed with the plans to go and get it because like this is going up the day that this will be happening, but tomorrow for me is Jason's birthday, and I don't want to make Jason be driving me around. He needs to spend time with his family, and it's Christmas Eve. So because of all that, I need to get to my parents' house tonight because my dad is saving the day, and he is going to take me to Vancouver tomorrow, and then we'll get the GT350 bumper and bring it back, and it'll be awesome. So the plan is my roommate Chan will take me to Salem, which is a little bit north of here, and then from Salem, I will swap from Chan to Jason, and Jason will take me to my parents' house. I will then stay there tonight, and then tomorrow night, which will be Christmas Eve, but it'll be the Christmas video for you guys, or not tomorrow night, tomorrow during the day, my dad will take me to Vancouver. We will get the car parts, bring them back down to Corvallis, install them on the Mustang. The Mustang will then be complete, and we will drive back to my parents' house and have a great rest of the Christmas day. It's a lot. I'm so sorry if my stress has been coming through on the vlogs. It is just a gnarly situation, but I think we have figured it out, and I will be getting the bumper back tomorrow morning. So with that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and finish this install video, and then I'll vlog the rest of going up to my parents' house. And then I'm gonna be daily uploading through all of it. So it's gonna be kind of interesting. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It's gonna be quite the finale for Vlogmas. So I hope you guys are excited. Alright, so my current diffuser has the little fins in the middle, but then on the sides it has a little like side fin, and the new side splitters, they go down. So I will have side fins that go down instead of out, if that makes sense. You'll see in a sec, it's gonna look pretty great. Also, this ground effect, as much as I love them, it's going away because I got something even better on the horizon. Ugh. Disgusting. So this is the completed install look of this rear diffuser. I think that this came out really, really awesome. I'm never dissatisfied with a product from Brandon, so if you guys want these, or if you have the current diffuser and you want the side splitters, definitely hit up at Brandon66 Polar because he just makes awesome quality stuff. I love that it brings out this flat line on the top, so it looks like this diffuser is like one big piece along the back. The wing is the same height as this, and if you had one of these diffusers and you already had the side splitters, the holes line up exactly, so you don't even have to drill new holes or anything like that. The new hardware will fit into the previously drilled holes And all in all, it's just like a super, super awesome product. Really glad I picked this up from Brandon. Again, if you want this for your 05 to 09 Mustang, just hit him up. It looks super good from like all angles. That's so sick. Yeah, that's gonna wrap up the install for today. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the extensions. Do you think that they look good? Or did you like it better when it was just the little mini winglet? I think it's super sick. I love the aggressive like down splitters on the sides. But let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so I just got the car put back in the garage. Now I'm headed up to Salem. I got Chan driving me. Shout out to Chan, the legend.
What's up?
Thank you so much. The next couple days are gonna be awesome, but stressful at the same time because like so many things have to go right, and they will. But sometimes it seems like the universe is working against you, and that's just how things go, but it'll be okay.
Later.
Just made it up to Salem, made it to Jason's house. Shout out to Chan for driving me up here. Today's video is quite the adventure. The sun is going down. We're hopping in the all-track, the second ride, and he's gonna take me up to my parents' house.
Jesus, it's very cold. Oh, Lord. I was coming out here to like preheat the car, and then you were just here, and I was like, shit.
Oh, it is cold out, boys. So for those of you that have been watching Vlogmas and enjoying the all the mod installs and whatnot, you gotta keep in mind that like I've been doing this out in the garage and it is freezing cold like every day. So if you haven't left a like on this video, make sure you leave a like, please. It would help me out tremendously. Jeez, Jason, you gonna hit the freaking...
No.
That was close.
I do this like every day when I'm here.
I know, it's just, I don't know that.
It's kind of sketchy.
All right, we made it. I didn't record anything on the trip because it sucked. Jason, thanks for the ride. I don't envy your drive back. That's gonna suck.
Well, hopefully it's not as traffic.
Yeah, true. I made it back. I don't remember what I was saying before. I'm gonna go inside and say hi, and then I'll finish the vlog in there. God, I always miss you, Xander. Love coming home to see your little face. Hey, buddy. Sit. Good boy. Oh my gosh. So I've been sitting here editing this video and I just got some bad news. So tomorrow I'm not going to be able to go and pick up the GT350 bumper. So if I upload tomorrow, it'll probably just be like a Merry Christmas video. So this will probably be like the last noteworthy video. So I do apologize about that, but it just happens sometimes. Sometimes things come up and there's not much you can do about it, but the GT350 bumper will be coming soon. So I hope you guys look forward to that. I'm going to get some sleep. I'll see you tomorrow, probably. I'll probably upload like a short Merry Christmas thing, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you wish Jason a happy birthday, and yeah, smash the like button too. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace out and dream big.